Your connection to NSCC doesn't end when you cross the convocation stage. When you graduate, you automatically become part of a growing community of over 100,000 talented and proud alumni like you. Hi, I'm Ashley, this is Evie and Allison, and we're your alumni team. We're so proud of everything you've accomplished and very excited to welcome you into the alumni community. We're here to support you as you transition into your careers and whatever life brings next for you.
Make the most of your NSCC connection through networking and mentorship opportunities, career supports, exclusive discounts, events, and more. Our Shop NSCC program will help keep you connected, whether you're an alumpreneur or just supporting alumni businesses. Participating in our professional development offerings will help keep you competitive in today's changing labor market.
Building your NSCC connection through your alumni community offers long-term benefits to your education. Follow our NSCC Alumni Program 101 series to learn the ins and outs of your alumni program and receive great advice from fellow alumni and partners. The best way to stay in the loop on the latest news and offerings is to get connected and stay connected. Keep your contact information updated on our website and connect with us on Facebook and Instagram. Also keep an eye out for a monthly e-news. NSCC Alumni's social media, website, and email updates are your guide to everything alumni.
Thanks for joining us as part of our NSCC Alumni Program 101 series. We can't wait to continue connecting with you.